Okay? And if you're the first person to stop something, like these bad habits, like something like smoking, drink, if it comes for your mind, it will stop. Waiting now. God bless you all. Mama Gladys. ODK show. Ah, you be my mommy. You be my darling. I love you so much. Not be social media for no. And there are still people that I know social media that is still good. Yes, now to all my fans, Faith Beauty Class. Don't worry. Anything with they plan, they use that carry and you are blessed. I do talk show, I do something, one woman. God will bless you, mama. You be mother. To all the good mothers out there, God will bless you. To those one where it's okay, you know, if you see person they beg me down, you will see one kill and put. God will bless you now. Now do well. I really appreciate. I never meant to say what I said. Nah, vaccination, anger, you know, that's why everybody they get yours how they control ourselves sometimes. I love you all so much. And it not gonna happen again. You know, never that they craze. I feel smoky, go smoke cocaine, take anything I want, they never. I they wear my pants and bra, so as I do my thing, so they do my thing. Make I do my travel. Nah, me I do my travel license. Me I take my travel license finish us now. Me I can't enjoy. I love enjoying my life. I know what to do to enjoy my own life. Because they say happiness, person not feel give you happiness. Now you go give yourself. So I know what to be doing to make myself happy. But if they wait for human being to give you joy, to give you happiness, you go wait tired. Find out by yourself. Find out by yourself. Give yourself. And do what make me happy. Yes, it's true. Say all those bad people don't want the true person, don't want they do. It's very bad. And I'm a person, if I make mistake, I did realize my mistake, I will quit and make them. Oh yeah, Dr. Show. Yeah, but oh yeah, Dr. Show, you are good. Oh yeah, though. Thank you so much. When you have to view like that, no matter about when you're okay, that thing you're going to write rest in peace, not going to rest in peace. See, one day they go write rest in peace for me. One day you when that people when they write rest in peace, person will see write rest in peace for you. Now so this life be. Of course, one day they will write rest in peace for me. Yes, but that time never come. That time never even come. Not be your cause or anything. If my time reach, God will take me go. God will bless all the people that have a good heart. God will bless you now. All the old tribe for the world. Because even Oyibo so bad people, bad ones they. Bad ones they Oyibo now. Bad ones they. Now so good ones still they. So I come to realize that they are good beneath. They are good beneath. And they are still bad ones. So what are we not saying? All the tribe, no tribe, they say, nah, this tribe good pass. I don't know what they talk, no tribe good. No color good. Yeah, we are just trying to, okay, the one way get good heart, don't get. The one way get good heart, don't get. The one way get evil heart, they go get that bad mind till they die. They know they change. It's not by changing physical. You can't. I don't feel they behave like saints. I can't go they do bad for back. I can't go they plan evil to plan. They won't take it person. And they cover yourself. They do as no. They for back and they plan. They won't take it person. Not be that kind of one. The change now from inside. That's your heart. Now you gonna need to be good. That your heart now you gonna need to be clean. Your heart have to be clean. What are you planning within you? What do they plan within you? Now evil, how to gbewa. Now how to gbewa you dey plan. Bad. Now you need to change. You want the tell you get change. Now you need to change if your heart not clean. I feel open my to open everything. Go see. You can see but you can't touch. Some people they do social media. They know they open to. But if they won't fuck, now they fuck. Now they Every time he can't fuck me, oh, he fuck me for bedroom, oh, he can't fuck me for here. Since when I don't show me that you don't say that. I beg you, leave that matter. Leave matter for Matthias. Leave matter. And till next year, oh, till the social media, you know, 50 years. And anybody who go say now, so you won't come lie. See, for those who fuck me before, when I now the fucking when I talk, all the fucking when I talk on social media, and the one I don't fuck before I ever come, all those mistakes when I fuck, you know, they fuck, now they fuck, I they do, now maybe they come me, I they come. Since I did social media, they come they use me as they use they come and do, I will pay. Oh no, what fuck you, man? Oh no, where? Where so Toto they blow whistle. Like seriously? Are you okay? Not try that thing again. Please stay towards you safe place. Yeah, I will always be me. I be myself. I do my thing. I always do my thing. Be me, and you know, life goes on. Love you all. Love you. God go bless all the good business. So I will see the talk. God go bless all of you. God go bless. Please subscribe. If you know, say my friend, don't subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Sarah T Boss TV show. Instagram Sarah T Boss. Sarah T Boss. What it be time? Okay, remember small make an enter class. God bless you, sister. God bless you too. God bless you too. Thank you so much. Now 2021 we enter so. If you don't say anything, then when you want to go, they do one more. Social media not go stop me to say me I not get my driver license. So social media no for those who will not get paper when they do film. You never find you want to get documents. You they talk to me. Me I don't get all my planning. As I want to get my license, as I want to do course, as I want to get my ballet, I get them for a year. And social media not they stop me to say make me not go school. Once my school open yours now, go off this live video, I go enter class. That's the difference between me and you. So I don't want that when some people they talk, they'll say they won't come talk to you. And you know they plan any other thing, you know they plan your life. Now yeah, you go talk about me, talk, that's so she open toto, you open toto. I go get my license, I will remove car for this social media. You go talk, me, document you never see get. I go get my palette. You go talk, film. She the naked, you talk, I the naked, it told you everywhere, it told you everywhere. I get everything. You see there, all other paper, you never get. It's not good though. There is God though. There is God in everything we are doing. See, I'm caught English a day, so caught English. My school, for those who live for Pamplona, my school, they here. See, God, they can see my school here. I love you too. I love you. I love you. Don't mind them, my auntie. Thank you so much. I'm not gonna mind them. They go kill themselves. Those one will not get like they're going to tell person. They're going to tell. They not even they talk with it. They not even they think what they want to do for their life. And the naked, it means me I not plan my life. And they wear panty. They tell you can see, but you can't touch. I know if say they wear clothes for social media, but for back that they use me, they fuck me every day. If there anybody they find who want fuck, you go carry, you go give them. Like the one with some people for social media. If anybody they find that they find who never fuck since how many years, they'll call and give them a number. They'll go fuck. And you know they naked though. You know they wear pat and brow. You know they naked. Your nyash, you know the social media, but they fuck you. Oh my Jesus. Wash, you can look but you can't touch. The babe clean, the babe clean. You see that boo boo? You know how many guys they want touch on. Now only look that they look, they no feel. Now glass I be. I don't want to tell them and say I be glass. You know when you go put corn for inside. When you go put corn for inside a bottle, you go they shook the bottle, you they shook the bottle. You go they shook the bottle like this. You go they shook and you they shook on. But to take the corn for inside, now that be the problem. So they watch my naked video. You know this and they do soapy. But you see the pekus, you know go do one. If you want to pekus, if you find people when you want to do their pekus, go meet people like come and do, I will pay. She know the naked though, naked social media but if you want fuck, she's available, she's there available. Anytime, any day, she's there available to fuck. If you know say you never fuck since how many years you want fuck, go fuck. She will give you, And all those married women, they had on her husband though, she dey fuck the married men everywhere. Now she go come and talk your back. You when you go dey fuck people husband, you know be your back. When no more there, you know say person get wife. Who you amu enenya igbo see beating. Who you don't hear say they don't beat me, say I go fuck person prick. I dey naked. Where me I be me there we me I wake here. When the doctor say, hey, Tirati boss, so see the dog cash I go for person husband though. He not there. I feel do all my show, everything I do social media. But man, you know I mean they don't send come. Me, Tirati boss, the boss. Mama Gladys, you show me Mama Gladys talk. I know the craze, so you me. I know the craze. Mama Gladys, people when you get sense, they know. If I like, I show my nyash, I show everything. You know, see that video where they share, they go. Even if now one finger, I'll use to close my toto. I feel use everything. I will use one finger, close my toto. So this is my toto. Now let you got that the people will get money. Now that they see. Not say you know how. If I like a nick, you'll see my breast, everything. You see my toto, you now go see her. And if you want to see her, let me know. No. Go see the other one. Oh my goodness. You dress well. Come on for that. I dey do my part and brush show. I dey go school. Now school I dey so. My part and brush show, my thing. Let me tell you, I'm doing my thing. I continue to do my thing. I continue to do it doing me. But this time now, I dey outside now. I'm cold. You are trying to say me I can't wear part and bra for outside. If now summer, now if summer come. If Corona not there, I'll wear pants and bra. I'll wear pants and bra, they walk out for the streets. Yes, now they wear pants and bra, they walk out for the streets. I'll go beach. Even the beach when they go, I know they wear pants. Everybody prick there everywhere, Toto there everywhere, Toto na nothing, you know. If you wear pants and bra, you know if you enter that beach. Not those kind of beach I they go. Every prick goes, Sarah, you'll see prick and you'll tell you, no, the one you won't fuck. Even if they say me you fuck, you'll see prick everywhere. Because you never see nothing. Some women don't go that beach. Because your body not too day okay like that. Because of bleaching cream. Not be my fault. 40 men will wear your bleaching cream. Not be my fault. Not me cause that one for your body. You get one. No, they ask me silly questions, okay? I don't respond to silly questions. Okay? Thank you so much. We don't see your worship. Okay, you see Sian for there. As I say, use that whole and reach you see Sian. You know, Sian, you don't see Pekus. I'm glad. You see one guy talking. If they read the craze person, not the reason they hold it to now show, I just do there. And they go far. Now show. He said that they send her for cover. They send her to give them. They send her the real boss. As you see, and so me you can't do now. Can't do whether you feel doing. Broke ass nigga like you. Now they fuck me. Broke ass. I don't fuck broke ass niggas. Hey. God will bless all of you now for me. For all those Appreciation to everyone that apologized on my behalf. God will bless you now. Yes, now be woman. I be woman. Correct one. Correct woman. Too correct. I be correct one. I mean the chest. I'm a chester. If you not be correct woman, you not be correct woman. That one not be. That one not concern me. Everything when you think about yourself, it depends on you. It depends on how you think about yourself inside you. Not be waiting you think. That is the problem. When some people they get, that they think what the people they think. You think what you think about me. Now I mean they rate myself. No. It's what I think about myself. Me, I be Bosha, I be correct woman. So if you come talk and say you not be correct man, that will not concern me. It's none of my fucking business. Or you can't talk say me not be correct woman. I'll come and talk say he thought say I not be correct woman. Oh, he thought say he useless. Oh, he thought say do this. Oh, as in my business. Now my mindset for that one, I upgrade. I upgrade for that. Now my mindset. Now that I know say I correct. Oh, if I correct, they worry me. Bosha.